Next, in this video, we are going to see element shades.
I'm taking a simple model. Now, I want to change my view type for this. If I want to view in different views, you having some options are available here. You want to see the element hide view, you can see the element hidden view. Or you can take it shaded view as earlier. Or we'll take it here. And view element. So it will be like more color means light up. Okay, brightness will be of that model will look more better. So that's how this view will be work. And then we want to see the wireframe view of the model. You can see the wireframe. Earlier view I shown you hidden. They're not showing the internal lines. Wireframe means we can see everything, every element. If anything like a boxes, we can see everything wireframe of that part. And then again, you want to see the features right now. If any feature is available, like if a hole is available or something is available, and I want to see that edges also. But right now in this, it is only simple cube now, so no features are there. So it will not show you anything. Okay, if any hole is there or something there, that will be seen from in this view. And same way, we can go for edges, same view without like feature view. For edges only we can view it. And then again, we can take it here like a grid view. Okay, so it will give you the grid view within the point form you see here. So this is how the grid view also you can see of the model. You can this grid view basically when it is used when we working with SPH model. SPH model basically instead of meshing, we can also convert the model into the SPH means then the point dot forms. And that will also help us to find out the result faster as compared to the mesh part. Okay, so that can be also used in Ls Dyna. So now we having mesh view, just change the view, change to mesh and shaded. Okay, turn off the grid view. Take a shaded, fine, we'll keep it right now. So again, if you want to see the view in the form of mesh elements, you can see the mesh. And one more, like if you want to see single element view in the brick form, and that is also available. Okay, you can go the shrink option. So this is how you can view your element. So it's the same, you can control it from here also, the bottom toolbar.